Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now this video is going to be a little bit different for those who are starting out. Now I have shown you a lot of case studies of brands doing $1 million a year, some of our clients doing $3 million a year and some doing $2.5 million a year, but this is different. So this particular client started with us by launching one product. Only one product he has in his entire catalog. Now how that launch happened, what all things are going on right now with this, how much is the ACOS right now, and how much we are targeting to bring that down. So let me show you the current data of this. So this account we have from October. If you see their October data, they have did around $484 in sales. This is the monthly sales. They have sold only 10 units and they have joined with us almost like half of the month from 15th or little bit earlier, like 13th, 14th October. And now if I just show you their October sales, it is $484. And if you see their November sales, so let me try to change the date range. 1st November to 30th November, you can see how much that they did. So they did close to $2,600. Now their product is in a premium niche, whereas every other company is selling at a lower price. They are almost 30 to 40% higher in terms of the price. Obviously their images justifies that. Their product videos, we are still working on it. We also do in our in-house team, we also do our product videos. If you want to do 3D product videos, anything, we can do it. So that we are doing with this client. But right now if you see, their launch went really well. And for this client, if you can see, the sales right now it is around $2,600. And the ACOS, if I just show you for this client, you can see the last 30 days the ACOS is around 46%, which if you ask me, yes, it may be little bit higher, but since this is in a very early stage for this product, whereas they have very less reviews that they have got from Vine, so we are expecting really high for this client for the next month, because the next month the sales are also going to increase due to the Christmas and all. So that's what we have for this particular client. Now I'll bring on some more new accounts, case studies, so that you can also watch and that can also motivate you. Now if you want us to audit your account and check what all we can improve, then make sure you click the link below and just register yourself so that my team can connect with you and do an audit. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.